Making millions with no investment is a very challenging task, and it's unlikely to happen overnight. However, here are some strategies that may help you get started. Start a service-based business. If you have skills or expertise in a particular area, you can start a service-based business and offer your services to clients. This could be anything from freelance writing to web design, social media management, or tutoring. Sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software without any investment. You can use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to create and sell online courses, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to sell ebooks. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products through your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for each sale. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without having to invest in inventory. You can set up an online store using platforms like Shopify and source products from suppliers who will ship the products directly to your customers. Crowdfunding. If you have a great idea for a product or service, you can use crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo to raise funds from a large number of people. Online trading. You can earn money through online trading by buying and selling stocks, currencies, or cryptocurrencies. However, this strategy requires significant knowledge and expertise in trading. It's important to remember that making millions with no investment is not easy, and it requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. You should also be willing to learn and adapt to new strategies and be patient with the process.